Welcome back, teachers. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on Scratch so that you may better assist the students with the course. Scratch is split into three sections: the blocks section, the programming section, and the demonstration section. The first tasks of any new project will be creating sprites and backgrounds. There are pre-made options to choose from, and a paint option. There are helpful stencils that the students can use to edit their sprites or create their own. Some projects will require specific sprites and backgrounds to follow a theme. The block section is color-coded and labeled for easy accessibility. Students can click and drag blocks into the programming section to create sequences of code. Blue motion blocks affect a sprite's movement based on the X and Y axis of the background. Purple looks blocks display visual cues and changes like speech bubbles, sprite costumes, and the background. Pink sound blocks play pre-existing or recorded sound and adjust sound settings. Yellow event blocks are starting triggers for every sequence of code. Orange control blocks decide block order and loops or repetition of blocks. Light blue sensing blocks allow sprites to detect things such as distance, color, direction, and other sprites. Green operator blocks are used to compare variables and values and run calculations. Dark orange variable blocks create a value that can be changed during a program, such as scores, levels, and sprite health. And finally, students can create their own blocks by stringing together a short sequence and saving it for multiple uses. Now that you understand the layout and block functions better, it'll be easier to assist the students with finding what they need in the program. In the next video, I'll introduce you to the TLP. Until next time!